for many researchers and clinicians in our ongoing quest to better diabetes care. Vivian is the Tullis Tulane Alumni Chair in Diabetes and Professor of Medicine and Chief in the section of Endocrinology at Tulane University School of Medicine here in New Orleans. And as I said, I have known Vivian personally for over 20 years. A friend, a colleague, and incredibly well respected both by his patients and his colleagues. When Vivian speaks, people tend to listen. Indeed, before I considered the presidency of the American Diabetes Association, I spoke to Vivian at length about the various roles and responsibilities. I really needed to know what I was getting into. In retrospect, I probably should have listened a little more carefully to Vivian. So the Vivian Fonseca Scholar Award is given in memory of Mr. P. Negrendon, and it promotes and recognizes diabetes research focused on the Asian American, Native Hawaiian, or Pacific Islander populations, and research by a scientist from South Asia or the Asian American, Native Hawaiian, or Pacific Islander populations. And this year's recipient is Dr. Shashank Shah, the director of the Laparo Obeso Center in Pune, India. Dr. Shah is receiving this award for the abstract gastric bypass versus medical lifestyle care for type 2 diabetes in South Asians with a BMI of 25 to 40 kilograms per meter squared, the COSMID randomized study. Now, Dr. Shah's center in India specializes in comprehensive treatment for obesity and related metabolic diseases. It is also a major training site for laparoscopic and bariatric surgery. And indeed, he is one of the pioneering bariatric surgeons in India, and laparoscopic sleeve gastrectomy in Asia. Dr. Shah is the author of numerous publications on surgery for diabetes focused on gastric bypass surgery, many of which he served as the first author on these published papers. Dr. Shah is the current president of the All India Association of Advancing Research in Obesity, the immediate past president of the Obesity Surgery Society of India, and immediate president of the International Excellence Federation of India. Dr. Shah, who I briefly met, humbly accepts this award on behalf of his team and recognizes forefront the significant contributions of his co-authors, Dr. Jayashri Todkar, Uday Padaki, Poonam Shah, Cynthia Buffington, Keith Kim, and his co-investigator, Dr. David Cummings. Please join me today in congratulating Dr. Shashank Shah as this year's recipient of the American Diabetes Association Vivian Fonseca Scholar Award. Dr. Shah.